Hi! In this tutorial you will learn how to convert photos into a cartoon effect in Photoshop. Grab your quick selection tool from the Tools panel and start selecting your object. Now, with layer selected, click on the mask icon to create a layer mask from your selection. Right-click the mask and choose Refine Mask. Increase Smooth and Contrast to enhance our selection. Fill background with white color. Grab the pen tool and start drawing a wavy shape like this. Select all the 3 layers, then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Duplicate it 2 times with Ctrl+J. Select Layer 1, and choose Filter menu. Under our Artistic folder choose Poster Edge. Change values to 0, 0, and 2. Then click OK. Select Layer 2, then again go to Poster Edges and change values to 0, 3, and 6. Change Blend Mode to Overlay, and change the opacity to 25%. Lastly, just add shadows and stroke, to make it more realistic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.